This year, we especially see the Mana digital money turning into a top gainer many weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-procure pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the digital money market. How is the undertaking growing now? And what could we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? How about we sort it out, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The task was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015, or so they thought. Thus, you can see that this game basically has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH. Notwithstanding, the augmented experience stage fundamentally was open to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can purchase and in a real sense sell land things while partaking in the game and connection. It resembles an internet game, or so they thought. Nonetheless, it centers around friendly and financial communications among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients impart go-to addresses, especially open stores, and essentially investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything, which generally is genuinely huge? This explicitly is Minecraft of a really decentralized world in an unpretentious manner. All land in Decentraland most certainly is separated into 90,000 packages called bundles. The underlying size of one bundle was 10 by 10 meters of in-game space. Just later, the size of each bundle was expanded to 16 by 16 meters in a genuinely huge manner. Each bundle is an ERC-721 token, LAN. We should discuss the tokens, which generally is genuinely critical. There for the most part are two sorts of in-game cryptographic money, Mana and land in an unpretentious way. Mana is an ERC-20 extremely token that assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. land really is an ERC-721 token used to mean the option to possess a particular land parcel in the game. At the end of the day, it's a proof of proprietorship. Other than bundles, there are streets and squares in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but engineers can especially make objects on them amazingly. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The squares essentially are points of fascination for clients, fundamentally recreational areas and data zones. The sort of nearer the land is to the streets and squares, the more costly it is. The region around Focal Square explicitly is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called locale. For instance, there are shops on Style Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College in an unobtrusive way. Every region is possessed and most certainly overseen by a neighborhood local area. Sadly, the land in such regions is as of now not accessible for procurement. We should envision that you've in every practical sense got land. How might you discard your buy? Exchange. As the game fills in prevalence, the cost of land by and large ascends. Thus, you most certainly turned into a contingent landowner who can profit from it. Rent out the land. You can in every practical sense get really automated revenue from the gain land. Spot an ad. You can construct any items on their property, and even spot promotions, which is genuinely critical. Thus, you can drape up a standard of your organization or open a display area. Open an NFT store, which is genuinely huge. Extremely popular, isn't that so? Decentraland is NFT consistent with the ERC-721 norm in an unobtrusive manner. For instance, computerized specialists can sort of open a display with NFT composition. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the especially least expensive Decentraland will be 76 cents. The for the most part greatest level that the Mana cost can reach is 82 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 79 cents. Mana value gauge for November 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the really normal Mana pace of 76 cents in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 70 cents and at 78 cents, separately, or so they thought. December 2022, Decentraland Value Estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Mana cost in December 2022 in a significant way. The very least exchanging cost could by and large be 76 cents, while the greatest could reach 82 cents during this month in a significant manner. By and large, it most certainly is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 79 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it sort of is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.09 in an unpretentious manner. The greatest expected Mana cost might be around $1.34. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.13 in 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024 in a significant manner, in view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland. In 2024, MANA basically is supposed to sort of have TH following especially least and most extreme costs, about $1.60 and $1.91. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $1.64 in a significant manner. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Decentraland and their variances during the earlier years, or so they generally thought. It is accepted that in 2025, the base MANA cost could drop to $2.35, while its fundamentally greatest can reach $2.76. Overall, the exchanging cost will especially be around $2.41. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying commonly most extreme and least MANA costs are normal in 2026, $4.17 and $3.49. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $3.61. Decentraland Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Decentraland. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical MANA cost will be around $5.24 in an unobtrusive manner. It could drop to at least $5.10. However, it actually could reach $6.06 all through 2027. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028, which all things considered, is very huge. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists certainly get ready figures at the cost of Decentraland. It is assessed that MANA will especially be exchanged somewhere in the range of $7.34 and $8.81 in 2028 in an unpretentious manner. Its typical expense sort of is normal at around $7.55 during the year, which is genuinely huge. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Decentraland's cost in a huge manner. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme MANA cost of $12.71. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $10.88 in a very huge manner. In this way, the normal sort of typical exchanging cost most certainly is $11.18, or so they thought. Decentraland Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Decentraland cost, crypto specialists really are prepared to give their MANA cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $15.84, with the conceivable extremely greatest tops at $19.08 in a significant manner. Overall, you can generally anticipate that the MANA cost should be around $16.40 in 2030. Decentraland Value Expectation 2031. Digital currency examiners are essentially prepared to report their assessments of the Decentraland's cost in an unpretentious manner. The year 2031 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme MANA cost of $27.49 in a really significant